Hello, Peter checking in again. We're on day 27 of this meditation series. I can't believe it, day 27. Will meditation help me with relationships? Yes, most definitely yes. Business relationships, friend relationships, partner relationships. Helps with all of those aspects of your life. Helps you to sit back and appreciate the good things. You can work through the bad things, and you can do it in a responsible manner, i.e. with your ability to respond to the situations that are before you rather than reacting to them, which causes all the problems. So meditation will help with all of those issues, all the relationship issues that you may have. You may have to move, change, get out of the situations that you're in, or you may want to enhance them, and so responding to them in the right way is the best way, because it really helps you to grow. And we all want to grow. We all want to be loved, but we also want to grow. And if there's any issues that you need to deal with your relationships, you can through meditation, but you can do it in a way for the growth of yourself, which is the most important thing. You growing rather than the relationship growing. But it's down to you. You can make that relationship grow yourself. You don't ever allow your happiness to be taken over by somebody else, ever. Your happiness is inside of you, and you can share that with other people. That's such an important aspect for you to really comprehend. So yes, it can help with your relationships. If you haven't tried it, there's a 5 meditation technique webinar that I've created to transform your life. Click the link below, it's absolutely free. And also I run Qigong classes on this YouTube channel. So to try them, you just need to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified of each class coming up and also each new video that I put up. So I'll see you in the next video.